What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and today I'm partnering with Dreame to take a look at their newest flagship robotic vacuum, the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller. This one's bringing something totally new to the table with its AquaRoll Mopping System, which constantly cleans itself with fresh water while it cleans your floors. With up to 30,000 pascal of suction power, it's easily one of the most powerful robotic vacuums I've tested so far. I've been using it around the house all week, and it's been seriously impressive. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that really stands out about the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is the all-new AquaRoll Mopping System, and this thing is on another level. It uses 12 precision nozzles to constantly feed clean water to the roller mop in real time. That roller applies 9 to 11 newtons of downward pressure, which means it's actually scrubbing the floors hard enough to lift sticky stains and dried up messes. Underneath, there's a reinforced scraping system that wipes away the dirty water and residue from the roller, while a high pressure pump sends that dirty water straight into a separate tank. At the same time, the mop is instantly refreshed with clean water, so you're never just pushing grime around the house. The Fluff Roll Tech keeps the roller fluffed up for better stain absorption. I put it through some pretty tough tests. I started with a spilled cup of milk, which was no problem at all. I then moved on to sticky chamoy sauce, and it completely cleaned it up on the first pass. Finally, I went all in with a mix of chamoy, ranch, teriyaki, and mustard, basically a worst case scenario mess, and the AquaRoll still wiped it all clean in one go. Normally you'd have to grab a towel first just to pick up the bulk of that mess before you even think about mopping, but this thing handled it all on its own. And what I really like is that since the roller is continuously self-cleaning, you're not spreading the mess around your house like you would with traditional spinning mop plates. One of the most innovative features is the new Auto Seal Roller Guard. When carpet is detected, this feature automatically activates and completely seals off the roller mop. That means there's no chance of dirty water or residue transferring from the mop onto your carpets. Most of the robot vacuums I've tested in the past simply lift the mop, which helps, but it still leaves a risk of drips or moisture landing on the carpet. With the auto seal system, the roller is fully enclosed and isolated, so you never have to worry about wet spots or stains. It's a really clever solution that keeps your carpets totally protected. One of the biggest highlights of the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is its massive 30,000 pascal of suction power. This is easily one of the strongest vacuums that I've tested so far. That kind of power lets it handle everything from large debris like cereal or pet food all the way down to fine dust and grit that hides in cracks and carpet fibers. This is running a dual brush design that automatically adapts to different surfaces in your home. The hard floor brush has firm bristles to pull dirt and debris out of cracks and grout lines, while the soft TPU brush is designed for carpet. It lifts and removes debris without damaging delicate fibers. Both brushes use an advanced detangling system anchored on one side and floating on the other. That setup helps move hair down the brush until it's pulled straight into the dustbin, completely avoiding the usual tangled mess I see on most rollers. In my testing, I ran it through a mix of carpet and wood flooring. On carpet, it uses an intelligent suction strategy that boosts power automatically when it detects short or medium pile. On my area rug, it had no trouble at all picking up big debris like cereal and coffee beans, and it even handled finer stuff like a full packet of instant grits without leaving anything behind. I also gave it a pretty brutal test with coffee grounds, coffee beans, cereal, and hair all mixed together, and it powered straight through without missing a beat. On hardwood, it did an equally great job with things like spilled coffee grounds and dust buildup. I did notice the side brush occasionally pushed some of the larger bits a little out of range, but it circled back and picked them up easily on the second pass. Overall, the suction performance here is next level. It's easily in the top tier of everything that I've tested this year. One thing I've really noticed about the Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is just how thorough it is when it cleans. Thanks to stereo edge obstacle avoidance, it's able to get incredibly close to objects like socks, shoes, and even kids' toys without bumping into them or getting tangled up. It also does a great job navigating around power cables, which is something a lot of vacuums still struggle with. Its 3D light structure helps it detect things like table and chair legs in real time, while the mop actually extends outward to hug the edges of walls and furniture, making sure that nothing's left behind. It also has the upgraded Pro Leap system, which lets it easily climb over thresholds, door sills, and transitions between rooms. I was honestly impressed to see it climb right up onto my fireplace hearth without hesitation. And with OmniSight 2.0, the LiDAR module can actually retract into the body body, giving it access under lower furniture than most other vacuums that I've tested. Altogether, it's one of the most complete and precise cleaners that I've used. Every inch of your floor gets attention. When the Ultra Roller wraps up a cleaning session, it heads back to what's honestly one of the best looking base stations that I've seen all year. The design itself feels super high-end, sleek, minimal, and it's something that actually fits in with modern home decor instead of looking like an appliance that you'd want to hide. But it's not just about the looks. This base station handles full hands-free maintenance. You get up to 100 days of dustbin auto emptying, and the built-in dust bag drying system helps eliminate bacteria and musty odors. It also includes dual solution dosing, so you can load both a hard floor cleaner and pet odor formula at the same time for a completely tailored clean. Then there's the new Thermo-Hub roller self-cleaning system, which uses 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to deep wash the mop and 158 degree hot air drying to sanitize and prevent bacteria or odors. Add in automatic water refilling, and you've got a true set it and forget it cleaning experience. So after spending the week testing the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller, I can honestly say this thing feels like the complete package. The AquaRoll Mopping System handled everything from sticky sauces to dried on messes without breaking a sweat. The auto seal roller guard kept my carpets totally protected, and that 30,000 Pascal of suction makes it one of the most powerful robotic vacuums that I've ever used. Add in the smart navigation, the thorough cleaning with stereo edge and OmniSight 2.0, and of course that gorgeous power dock base station with Thermo-Hub that takes care of all the dirty work, and you've got a system that's powerful, intelligent, and completely hands-free. If you've been looking for something that truly replaces both the vacuum and mop, this might be the one to beat in 2025. I'll drop a link below if you want to check current pricing or learn more about it. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks again for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.